Good morning. It's Tuesday, February 4th. This is the S&P 500 and we're looking at a 5-minute chart. I drew this line in. This was actually yesterday's CPA. We came right up here to the tick. And so this price here, this 90 area, this is going to be real important. If we can push up through here, then we have another bit of a ways to run, probably above actually this like 93.5, 94 area. Say 94 to be safe, but up above there. Let's see if we can pull this back here. So it's been a while since we've been up this high, but somewhere in this like 93.5, 94. You can see right here it kind of uses this 95. I know that's hard to see, but just kind of see where those 96.75 probed up above there. This was all in the Globex at one point. Then we had that big sell-off from up there. So if we can push up above this 90, first this 90 and then this 93.5, 94 area, then we've got some room to run up here. We've got that 09. This should actually be a CPA. So this should be blue. That should be a CPA. And then we've got some room to run up here, 25.75. I mean, there's a pretty big gap between here and here. So if we were to get up to here, up above here, next we'd be looking for this. That would be the CPA up here. And then above there, lots of room to run up to there. So these gaps are pretty big. You can really play these one at a time, up above here, up to here. I mean, really, as long as we're holding up here. So let's make this, so one at a time on the upside up there. And of course, got to keep an eye on these prices we're giving you up here. So right now, we've got this 80.75 area that we could pull back to. And you can see we haven't really pulled back and used that. And below 80, so 81.75 is 70.75. So that's 11 points. So if we can hold up here, we can look for another push. If we can't hold up here, let's look to fill this down to here, maybe even down into this area, into this 67.5 area. Wouldn't really want to come back down here. So below 67.5. Probably back to here minimum. So back to 43 below 67.5. We could see the 60 area be somewhat important, but likely come back into this area if we break down below here. And then if this doesn't hold, could come all the way back down into that 43.5 area. So I was looking at this last night, looking at how high could we really bounce here and have it be. I said yesterday, really, if it's bouncing like this, it's really just a bounce. And certainly somewhere up into this area. I mean, as it's holding, we're going to buy it. We'll take advantage of it both ways here. But in the big picture, have we recovered here? Probably not yet. Just enough of a push up to keep things going, keep all the retail traders in it, and then probably another dump at some point here coming. So keep your eye on this area and this area, and then up here could make another push up here higher, which we've already used all this. This is getting close to all-time highs again. So, you know, let's just do what the market gives us here this morning. So up above here, we'll look for another push up. If we break up here and then end up coming down and then holding below here, we'll look for a push lower. If we can get the buyers to step in here, we could get another bounce up even to here or here. We're not really looking for higher unless we can take this out. And then we're really only looking for, we got to keep an eye on 3,300 area. And then an eye up there on that 09, which should be a CPA. So there you have it for today, and we'll see you in the live trade signals.